Okay, IntelliCAD community, here's another question for you. This one's very simple. I was under the assumption that you can do expressions and formulas in numeric fields. So instead of typing like 4 or 5, you can say, 6 divided by 2 or, 18 times 3 or anything like that. If you want to change a diameter to a radius and vice versa, you can multiply by 2 or divide by 2. So let me show you again how easy it is to do in ViaCAD. Here we are in ViaCAD 12. I have a line. Could be in 2D mode or 3D mode. I just happen to be in 2D mode. And here's X is 0.705. Let's say I wanted to move it over to the left 1 inch. I would just take that and say subtract 1 from it and hit return. As you can see, this moves over 1 inch. I want to add 4.4 to it. Just say plus 4.4. And there it is. Same thing with the angle. If I wanted half that angle or twice that angle, I can multiply it by 2, right? Can multiply it by 10. And so it takes numeric expressions, no preceding equal sign, no alt enters. You just do math like you think. You might want it 4 divided by 3, right? And there it is. So that's what I want to do in IntelliCAD 11.1. This is ViaCAD 12. We are in IntelliCAD 11.1. And I'll draw a line here too. Same thing, much like we did. Okay, I'll hit escape. I can double click this line. And I can see the properties. There's the starting X position. Now watch this. I do it's 2.4, right? Do a -1 and I hit return and it adds 1. Rather weird, isn't it? So let's take that and say +1. It's 3.4152. The plus does nothing. But yet the divide, let's divide it in half. It divided it in half. Let's multiply it by 2. Nothing. So it only subtracts. The minus sign works as plus, and the dividing sign works. So I can divide it by 0.5, so I can multiply it by 2. And let's divide it by 0.5 again. All right, so what's the secret to this? This is crazy. Is this a bug? I tried spaces. If you do a space -1, nothing happens. No spaces, -1. I did equal signs times 2. Nothing. What's the secret, people? Come on. I don't believe that this doesn't do this because AutoCAD has this feature, and I would think that IntelliCAD would have this feature. So, another question towards the community and a plea for help. Please tell me how to do this. Thank you.